Alright, let's talk about one of the most legendary homes in modern architecture, Villa Savoye. If you're into design, you've probably seen its crisp lines and floating white walls pop up everywhere, from textbooks to Instagram feeds. But what's the real story behind this 1929 icon? Let's dive in. First off, where is it? Villa Savoye is tucked away in Poissy, a quiet town just outside Paris. It was designed by the trailblazing architect Le Corbusier and finished up in 1931. So what about the layout? Villa Savoye is all about simplicity and flow. There are 3 main floors. The ground level is mostly open with space for cars and service rooms. Above, you've got the main living area. Think open plan lounge, kitchen, dining room, and even a solarium for sunbathing. Back in the day, this place was basically a spaceship that landed in the French countryside. Nothing else looked quite like it. Now, how big is it? The house itself clocks in at about 4,800 square feet or 450 square meters if you're into the metric side of things. It's not a mansion by today's standards, but it feels huge, thanks to its open layout and massive windows that pull in all that natural light. The building sits on a spacious plot of about 17 acres, so there's plenty of room to breed. So what about the layout? Villa Savoye is all about simplicity and flow. There are 3 main floors. The ground level is mostly open with space for cars and service rooms. Above, you've got the main living area. Think open plan lounge, kitchen, dining room, and even a solarium for sunbathing. There's a free floor plan, ribbon windows for killer views, an open facade, and a flat roof that doubles as a garden. Every detail is about light, air, and movement. It's modernism in its purest form. Now the big question, what did it all cost? Back in 1929, the construction price was around 900,000 French francs, which would be about $1.5 million today, adjusted for inflation and currency. Not cheap, but for a home that literally changed the course of architecture, may be worth it. If you ever get a chance to visit, do it. Trust me, it's unforgettable.